Hey, welcome back. I'm Henry from Ace Custom Cars. Just wanted to share with you guys a package we got from CPP, which was really cool. I just wanted to share it with you guys. We ordered some parts from them for an overbuild we're getting ready to do, and we really love the quality. The quality is really good. Oh shoot, check this out. So I ordered some bolts from CPP, and they sent me out this cool ass care package. Thank you guys at CPP. I appreciate it. Looks like we got some CPP gloves, work gloves. We'll put them to good use, you know. And something I've needed for a long time. Some fender covers, some CPP fender covers, which is cool. Oh yeah, cool. I needed these. It's like Christmas. Got a red and a blue. Got a red and a blue. Again, CPP, check them out. They got a good line of products. So I'm gonna open one of these up and show you guys. Got a razor blade right here on them. Oh, that's cool. Nice colors, nice colors. Not my color, but it's nice color. I'm a red person, so this is gonna look good. This is gonna look good when I'm working on my cars. So that's our CPP. Nice fender covers, man. Really nice. Real good quality. Real nice fender covers. So CPP, thanks for the care package. I appreciate you guys all out there helping me out with all my stuff in my order. Getting stuff out really quick to me. It's really cool. So this is Henry from Ace Custom Cars and CPP. Peace out.